going to be where you, as the supervisor, or you and like a group of team leaders are going to really step into this gap.
No one ever stops there.
At the end of every...
Diving right in without greeting, as he always did. I was with my son Larry at his house. He lives in Knoxville too. You would like him, David. He's a good boy, like you. Like him, David. He's a good boy, like you. He spoke rapid fire and in a stern voice. I'm sorry I missed you. How are you doing? Stop.
And everybody who helped her. So, like, yeah, we're basically, like, monitoring the travel activity of pregnant women. That's, I mean...
No stop up there.
Shit, bro. But, like, that's such a... Like, how do you look yourself in the face and be like...
No, it kind of stopped.
I know, right? Yeah, we're gonna fucking put
no stop
tags on every fucking fetus out there.
No stop.
And I will say, Mormons, they do things like what's portrayed in this show of like
no stop
morning family prayer.
Oh, what the hell is that? This left turn lane.
It was clearly, he didn't like yell anything out about it, but other people saw this dude getting angry. And he did say one thing, Trump was no better. But then he started doing shit with his hands.
Yeah, you're pushing a bit. But I'm stream, but I'm stream, but I'm dum stream.
Contraceptives, you're not going to get the day after pill. You're not going to be able to leave the state.
Nope.
Screwborough. The absolute traps for women.
Yep. Ideas. But with that out of the way, I do want to give another quick plug to the membership option. You may have noticed some people are using some custom
get over
in the chat, and that is because they are members on the channel. So if you want to become a member on the channel, you can hit that
behind me
button and do that. We have.
Nope. Nissan drivers. And he just exits there anyway? Really?
I would imagine it's just one of the reasons more than 4 million people use and love Simply Safe. Apnea doesn't solve that 95.
Oh, Gene Upshaw. Holy shit. I should have known that. Y.A. Tittle.
Well, exit dive way up there in front of that guy. My spidey sense is tingling. Yep, there he goes.
Oh, it's faith. You know? Is that what? Hang on, Ernie. Is that what this all boils down to? Is just faith? You just believe because you have faith?
Stemmed, if not for the unmovable certainty religion breeds in the faithful.
Oh,
we might say today that abolitionists.
Exit dive.
With its multicolored stick figures that represented Mommy and Daddy, and the doctor in white. Ellie peeked out at me from behind her big sister, and together at various homes to eat and drink while sharing what was happening in our lives. It became a community.
In the clearing, he could see the black photovoltaic panels glistening on the roof. He almost imagined he could see himself through the window of the trailer. Oh my god. Their image.
Can we speed up, please?
Constant whirring sound. Eddie said, "I'll be damned." He walked forward, looking at the gauges, many of which were unreadable, the glass thickly coated with yellow. The joints of the pipes were also rimmed with yellow crust. Eddie wiped away some of the crust with his finger.
Same driver from before.
With my parents,
experience, especially with my mother. We kind of did the same thing. We didn't talk about it for years, but it was pretty rough. I actually left home at 14.
Why are you merging right? Both lanes go to the same place.
Aunt, who's a social worker,
get out of my lane.
Saying why I should be allowed to go. I mean, I guess they can come back, but because of the way that some of them have been, I'm not really super interested in a. Well, that's fair.
Now you're only merging on going 45 when people go faster than this.
Just a few weeks ago, the last time we talked, that she thought I was on the long path to Christ. Oh my!
Are you in pain? Why won't you let us help you? Yeah, finished the cycle a week ago. Finished the cycle a week ago, she said breezily. And she touched the satiny red and yellow floral scarf she had wrapped over her skull. Do you like my hat? She laughed. I forced a smile at the forced joke.
Process to be in the conversation. Are there other non-natural processes that you can even point me to before we include it as a candidate explanation?
Really?
You said that way better than I did. Thank you. It's like, right? I thought you told me witches weren't real, and here it says to kill them. Like,
wait, what?
You know? So,
that was Webster's point. And that was the point of Lincoln's religious language in his second inaugural. Northerners used slaves in Luke chapter 12, verses 45 to 49. Passage the southern states used to justify slavery. Another major argument for slavery was not just the biblical sanction, but that Christianity civilized the Negro race by bringing them to Jesus. Slavery, religion had been largely absent from politics and government up to that point. The Liberty Party bemoaned the common law of political life, that religion has nothing to do with politics. But that separation, so assiduously cultivated by the founders, was obliterated during the build-up of tensions that were released in the Civil War.
Camroid.
It's a way to protect the entire grove. A kind of cooperation among trees, you might say. Barbie nodded and looked out from the high.
I believe that was an exit regret.
Still by the. You realize this is all highly significant, Malcolm said, for the question of extinction. Already, it's obvious that the extinction of the dinosaurs is a far more complex problem than anyone has recognized.
No, stop.
This is the prophets of Baal, or the prophets of Yahweh at least, where they would, they were calling down fire from heaven, and they would soak the altar of the Jewish altar, and they would soak it with water over and over again, and God still made it
dual turn fail.
And flashed.
No, stop behind me. Toyo turn. No, stop. Waited 2 seconds. He would have been not in the video.
Yeah. Women can't be sexually aroused.
No, stop.
Sexually